When we say, I'm going to practice, there are so many different ways to practice. Sometimes I'm not enough to my knowledge to practice. Sometimes, people think, I'm not ready to practice. Sometimes people say, I don't know how to practice. Basically, the practice is what? Just try to keep your mind to happy and not destroy your own mind. This is the purpose to practice. Therefore, there are so many different ways, just very simple way everyone can do, just breathing meditation. Just whenever you have some emotions come in your mind, just watch your breath. Exhale and inhale. Just relax and count about 20 times. Above that, if you have more ability to practice, of course, you can do the impermanent and the compassion and loving kindness. You can choose many things. Therefore, sometimes people say, this is too far, I'm not already that. Then you just to stop doing things. Not like that. If example, that things to carry, very heavy ones, they're not very heavy, very light. If you're not able to carry or pick up the heaviest one, what you do? You just not carry anything, just leave that? Not. You can try that, the middle one. You just give up the heaviest one. You can try to and lift up the middle one. Even that not work, you just lift up the small one. You got something. You do something. Therefore, one of the most what block our practice, you think, oh, I'm not enough. I don't know how to do. I'm not ready that, because this is a blocks for our practice always. Therefore, not. Example, when especially the Western families go somewhere, they give some small bag for kids. Their parents carrying big bags. The small kids also carrying small bags. They have something to carry. Example like that. The practice has so many different levels you can do and you can take that, okay? Try to you what stimul your mind. Which ones look easy for you, okay?